Hello. Okay, so we're going to find trig ratios today when we have a triangle, but we don't quite have all the pieces. So we have a right triangle here. We have two of the three sides, so we can definitely find this third side by doing Pythagorean theorem. So we have 14 squared plus, we don't know what that other leg is, equals 50 squared. 14 squared, 196. 196 plus b squared equals 25, yeah, 2500. So we're just finding b. We get 2,304, and then we want to go ahead and square root that guy, which is 48. Okay, so now we have 48 to go off of. Okay, so it's the same triangle, and they're asking for sine Q and sine R. So we have to look at this angle. That angle is going to change which side is adjacent and which side is opposite. So let's start with the Q. So we're going to go with this guy. I'm going to go ahead and label them A, H, and O, just like I always do. So with the Q in mind, H is always H, right? This is going to be your adjacent. This is going to be your opposite, okay? And of course, we remember SOHCAHTOA. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of Q, opposite side is 14. Hypotenuse is 50. In simplest radical form, so we can reduce this down to what, 7/25? So 725 is our answer. Now we're going to do cosine. So A 48 over 50. Reduce that down. 24 over 25. Tan. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on asphalt. So we get 14 over 48 equals 7/24. Okay, so those are all those answers. Now let's go ahead and do R. So our A, H, and O values is going to change because we're looking at a different angle. So instead, H is going to be the same. H is H. We can't change that. This guy is going to be A. This guy is going to be O. Okay, so same thing. We're going to do sum old, because we're opposite of R is 48. And then H is 50. 48 over 50 is 24/25. Then we're going to do cosine AH, so 14 over 50, which is 7/25. Tangent of R, opposite over adjacent, 48 over opposite over adjacent, 14. And we get 24/7. And that is how you do those problems.